Isometric, Usometric, we also metric. So before we get into the top 2 design trends of 2017, I just wanted to wish everybody a happy 2018 and wanted to point out a comment that Jenny Patch wrote. She said, hang something in the stairwell, basically. So what I did was I put an in-progress painting up there, and right now I'm doing a painting for my daughter. That's gonna be Rapunzel. So we'll see, hopefully by hanging those up there, it'll give me encouragement to finish those. And one of my New Year's resolutions is to make more videos, so hopefully I will have more time to do that this year. So one thing I noticed, especially on Dribble, is that these flat isometric illustrations are becoming more and more popular, and I think they'll continue to be popular here in 2018. But I would say that they were the #1 design trend of 2017. I posted this shot here on Dribble back in June, and it quickly became my most popular shot, which has since been replaced by this weird little iPhone to MacBook morph animation that I posted around the time that the iPhone 10 came out. So I also did another one here for my mom for her real estate, just a little house. What I did, I hadn't done like a whole lot of isometric stuff since like my CAD class in high school, so I wanted to actually print out a isometric grid on graph paper, and I will link the printable isometric graph paper in the description as well. But I started just by sketching it out. I then brought it into the Sketch app with an isometric grid already in Sketch, and I will link a resource to that as well. There's a new one that I just found. I just imported this printable isometric graph paper into the Sketch file at the time, and then I redrew it on my computer, and then I brought that into Printable, and then I animated it from there. So that one didn't do quite as well, but I think that isometric illustrations are still going to be showing up more and more. The other thing that I did was I created a bucket so that you can kind of go through and check out. I have 100 shots in here of isometric illustrations. The bucket is called Isometric, and I have linked that in the description as well, and you can check out all of the 100 really cool shots in here. So with that said, let's get on to the next top trend of 2017. It is what I am calling flowy style illustrations. Let me know if there is a better word for that. But I've created a bucket on Dribble for this as well, link in the description below, called Flowy Ills. And right now I only have 29 shots in there, but I will be adding more to that throughout the year. This sort of style is getting more and more popular. You can kind of get a feel for that as you look here through the shots that I have in this bucket. And I'm not saying that these are the only 2 design trends of 2017. I'm just saying that these, from what I can tell on Dribble, are the 2 most popular styles. I mean, you can tell from the past, flat style kind of overtook skeuomorphism, for example. Material design got really popular. These icons, like these border style icons that I do and many other designers do, are very popular. But just from what I've noticed is that the isometric illustrations and these flowy illustrations are the 2 most popular design trends of 2017. And I think that, we can look forward to seeing more of these, especially these flowy style illustrations in 2018 as well. I believe one of the most popular styles of this flowy illustration has been recently done on the Slack website by Alice Lee, and she does a lot of really cool illustrations in this style. And so does, let's see here, we have Cami. She does these really cool flowy illustrations. Baron, really nice. And some of these have really great ways on how to implement these styles to a landing page or an app. And I think that we'll see a lot more of these. Let's see, Leo. Very cool use of this style with gradients. And that's another thing. Gradients kind of went away for a while, but I think that gradients as well are coming back in a big way. So, like I said, my New Year's resolution is to make more of these videos coming up. This was kind of a short one, and I haven't really done one in a while because I've been so busy, but I'm for sure going to try to find some more time to create these videos this year. And once again, thank you so much for watching.